Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 8, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. First grade. 5 numbers are remaining: 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Third row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column C, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then first grade, 3 numbers are remaining: 4, 6, 9. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 5 numbers are remaining: 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Second grade, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining: 4, 6, 9. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining: 1, 2, 5. Third grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining: 1 and 2. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining: 1, 2, 4. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining: 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining: 1 and 2. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining: 2, 5, 9. Sixth grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining: 5 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 5 numbers are remaining: 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. Eighth row and 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining: 3, 4, 7, 9. Ninth grade, we have 9. Column C also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining: 3, 4, 7. Seventh grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining: 4 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining: 3 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining: 3 and 6. Seventh row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining: 7 and 8. Sixth row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Seventh grade, 3 numbers are remaining: 2, 4, 5. Column D, 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Only 2 numbers are remaining: 2 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. we will confirm later. Fourth grade, 6 numbers are remaining: 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Column B, column C, and sixth row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, fifth row and sixth row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining: 2, 4, 5, 6. Column C and sixth row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining: 4, 5, 6. Column B we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B only 1 number is remaining: 6. 6 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining: 4 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. Column C we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining: 5 and 6. Seventh row we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fourth grade, only 1 number is remaining: 4. 4 is confirmed here. Seventh row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining: 3, 4, 7. Column E, column F we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining: 3 and 4. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining: 2 and 6. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining: 3 and 9. Column G we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, column G we have 9. 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Second row, only 2 numbers are remaining: 4 and 6. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. Column E we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining: 2, 5, 6. Seventh row we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining: 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G only 1 number is remaining: 5. 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining: 4 and 8. Column E we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, only 2 numbers are remaining: 1 and 6. Column E we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.